Industrial laser upgrading is difficult, and the operation threshold is high. So how does this company use IoT technology to achieve a breakthrough? This customer is the Taiwan Exhibition Acquaintance, an on-site order procurement of this ALC-1500 model of laser cleaning machine. Today, SFX Laser Technical Communication Group suddenly sent our want to customize the machine interface into our logo. After receiving the customer's request, the engineer communicated with the customer at the first time and informed the process, and the customer only needed it to connect to the Wi-Fi without any operation to get it done. This is the Intelligent Internet of Things system of SFX Laser, which can realize remote online upgrade and multi-language one-key switching, bidding farewell to the multinational operation and maintenance dilemma completely. After the upgrade is completed, the users gave high praise when the speed ladder laser meets the Internet of Things. A subversive change is being staged.